Hi there. Here we have the Roger wireless keypad. Now these keypad comes in two modes, fixed code and rolling code. By default, straight out of the box, these keypads are in fixed code mode. To change them from fixed code to rolling code, you'll need to go to section 11 in the control manual, which is called changing password. Now you don't actually have to change the password of these keypads. All you need to do is put in the sequence that it says in the manual to change the code from fixed code to rolling code. So I will demonstrate. So you need to push star star, the default password, which is 12340, hash, and I'm going to keep the password the same. So 12340, hash, 12340, hash. So that green light and that loud buzzer will indicate that that mode has been changed from fixed code to rolling code. And the password is still the default 40 password. If you wanted to change the password, you'd just put in your star star default password, hash, change the password to what you wanted to, hash, repeat the password, and then hash again, and you're good to go. Thank you for watching.